On the home screen, before we get started with mounting the needle, we're going to have our fill ration right here. This unit is how many millimeters down the piston is actually actuating inside the pump, because the density and weight of all concentrates is different. So this is going to basically allow us to keep it consistent once we do a weight check to see how much is in there. And then also you have your temperature controls, again, separate for each. And then the needle heater is just an on and off, which is turns on this fan with a heat sink underneath that will heat your needle. And you're going to want to turn the needle heater on anytime you have concentrate in the needle, so that it doesn't solidify and basically make like a cork and, shoot out if too much back pressure builds up. Now, when installing the needle, you're going to carefully take one of the needles we provided you, or just any all metal needle, such as this. You're not going to want to use the ones that have a plastic lure lock, just because under heat and pressure, especially piercing into a pre-roll, those can tend to bend and warp. So you're going to carefully stick this on and then twist it clockwise until you feel it tight by hand. Basically, we want this opening and tip to be either facing to the left or to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and take the pliers and give that another basically half turn so that the tip opening is facing that way.